Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's your host OTC right here. So in today's video we'll be discussing about gold for the upcoming trading week, that is from 19 to 23rd July. So let's begin. Alright traders, as you can see we are in gold right now. So what do we see? We just seeing that price is making a recovery from its previous month big drops. So it's just a small retracement. After the small retracement, this price will be moving to the upside. All right, so I can see volumes really supporting it. You can see it's down here, but it's making big bullish candle. So it might go up, it might not. So it's just the market, so we have to act accordingly. So what we have to do, it's just about our psychology, you know what I'm saying? So let's just move to a 4-hour time frame. So what do we see? Price did made a rejection, and price is making price is making its way to the upside. As I can clearly see, price made a huge volume, but it failed, and you can see it's near the support level. So I did made a video about last week gold from 12th to 19, as you can see, from 12 to 19 July. If you guys haven't watched my previous week analysis about gold, is up in your right side and the I button, so you can tap and watch it there. How did the price move to the upside? So now price is making its way up to the upside, up to this level, so we might trade this. So moving to a 1-hour time frame. All right, so price is making a clear price action. As you can see, price just failed below to close below this level. All right, it didn't close, but made it past, but it went inside again. So bullish pressure is still there, and what you see, price to the upside. So we'll be watching we'll be watching the price make something clean action, and so that we can enter the trade, or else we'll be just looking something else. If price will be saying, oh, I need to go to the downside, oh, I'm now moving to the upside, so we'll be acting according to it. All right, so you can see in 30 minutes price in bullish, you can see indecision, sorry, is gravestone, then bullish candle, then it opened just above it, so that means some bullish pressure is still right there. So my bias would be to buying the gold. If I'll be buying, and I'll be looking like for this target, or else up to this levels. All right, this will be my TP1, and this will be my TP2 level. So and my stop loss would be right there, which will be around like 400 pips. All right, so let's just see how the markets play out. All right, is it's just clean price, so price will be making retrace and then faking some buys out, then continue to its original trend. All right, see, it is just about the price action. If you know how price moves, then you have the edge to make the bag, no cap on it. You know what I'm saying? So it is better to educate yourself. You know what I'm saying? Just gain the knowledge before you leap on in the forex, as it's, without knowledge people might get trashed. You know what I'm saying? So it is better you just prepare yourself before the market. You can better do demo trading before entering the market, and after you get real deal, you get real gust that okay, I'm prepared to trade in the live market with my own money, my hard-earned money, to put in the market and making some good returns. But don't expect nice returns while you're starting to trade. Just you're trading to gain knowledge. After that, when you gain some good knowledge about it, then only you can have like good profits. It will be just floating around. You know what I'm saying? Like this. You just know the markets is easy for you. They say like trading is simple but not easy. You know what I'm saying? I hope some traders they be watching this so they can relate. All right. So guys, if you like today's analysis for the upcoming week, make sure that you like and subscribe the channel so that you won't miss any update about upcoming videos in the future. And hope you guys will be having a bang upcoming week, and you guys will be making bag. And peace out.